What's the difference between PRP and PRF? Let's talk about it. So they're often used interchangeably and they're not exactly the same thing. But let's nerd out. So PRP is platelet-rich plasma and PRF is platelet-rich fibrin. The difference is about how it's spun essentially and what's in the tube that you draw the blood into. So the process is we draw your blood, we put it in a centrifuge, we spin it around to get that really yummy plasma that has all your growth factors in it. Now, when it's just PRP, we take that plasma and we go straight into injecting it into you, into the area that we're trying to improve. The big goal for this and the premise is that we're injecting growth factors into an area, particularly like the tear trough, so that we can stimulate your own healing to thicken the dermis, improve collagen production, reduce the appearance of like dark circles. That's the goal. Your body absorbs it pretty quickly. So you kind of get this immediate boost. And then over the next day or two, that PRP is, of course, absorbed and resorbed back into your body, and the job is done. And then we wait for our body to kind of receive the benefits of that treatment. The concept with PRF is a little different in that it becomes more viscous. And the whole concept is that this more higher viscosity gets to hold a place and the body can't break it down as quickly. And so the tissues are exposed to those growth factors for longer. The thought being that because the tissue is exposed to it for longer, it has more benefit. Unfortunately, we have some latest research that doesn't really show that to be the case. Maybe they are exposed longer, but is it clinically relevant? And it appears so far that the answer is no, that we cannot see in double-blinded studies that one is particularly better than the other. So both are good, none are bad. It's really just about being the right candidate and having the right expectations for the treatment.